Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon and welcome to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I uploaded a video, but I was just waiting to get my hands on these lipsticks. I have finally the newly launched Nykaa Luxe Matte Lipsticks. It took a while for these to reach me because I'd placed an order online and somehow they were all scattered in the shipment. So finally I have them with me. I recently did a poll on my Insta stories and I got 100% vote on yes that I should do a swatch video. So before I get into the lipsticks and the colors and the shades, I'll talk a little bit about the packaging, what the formula is, what the price point is, etc, etc. So grab a snack or a cup of tea and let's get started. So first things first, just to set the record straight, I haven't got all the lipsticks on my hand because I have personally picked out only the shades that I felt would look the most complementary and suited for someone of my complexion, which is medium, deep or dark. Talking about the lipsticks itself, so first thing that I will talk about is the price point. Now these retail for about $7.99 a piece, which is not the most affordable in terms of Nykaa products because Nykaa has been known to kind of release products that are more in the affordable range. But having said that, these are already tagged as the Nykaa Luxe Matte Lipsticks, so you can kind of expect that they have a little bit of a more luxurious feel in terms of the packaging, in terms of the finish. If I talk about the packaging and the outer case of the lipstick, it comes with the usual magnetic clasp, which is quite patent with Nykaa lipsticks if you've purchased them before. Overall, the plastic on the outside is a little more sturdy. It's not as light or as flimsy like the usual lipsticks that I have bought and used before. It has these gold accents on the top and on the bottom, and the shade of the lipstick goes on the bottom. The color of the lipstick is actually to match the outer packaging, but you will have to apply the color on its own to kind of find out what it looks like because they don't technically match the outer packaging. Now, in terms of the price point being justifiable or not, I think it is only fair if I talk about the color, the pigmentation and the longevity. So coming to the lipsticks itself, when you purchase a lipstick, it usually arrives it arrives in a box like this. The name of the shade is written on the box and it has the Nykaa embossed. The packaging does feel a little more premium and it's not your regular linear thin lipstick boxes. These are quite broad. The entire ingredients list and everything else is at the back of the package, and once you open it, you see the lipstick like that, and if I take that out, like I said, the shade name is on the bottom. The one thing that Nykaa has done really nicely when it comes to these lipsticks, and I don't think maybe a lot of brands would like to do it because it's not the most, I would say, like graceful or most nice way of having it on your products, but they have mentioned the expiry and the manufacturing date on the lipstick, so even if you throw this away, you kind of know when to dispose of this product, because I am guilty of keeping so many lipsticks that I'm sure are way past their expiry date and I still end up using them, and it can be quite harmful. So having the date and the year of expiry on the package is quite nice because it's always going to come in your notice, and then you know by when you have to finish it, or if you haven't finished it, then you kind of dispose this off. When it comes to the colors of the lipsticks, it's quite opaque and very pigmented. Like this is probably one swipe of the lipstick. If you have pigmented lips like me, you will have to go on a couple of times over your lips, but apart from that, they are very opaque. They are quite pigmented. They are not uneven in any form. They don't go on like a lip balm. It's pure pigment. The finish is actually very satin matte like finish. It's not very drying on the lips, which is really nice and very comfortable to wear, because I hate lipsticks that just suck out the moisture of your lips after you apply them, and after about 2-3 hours you almost feel like your lips are so dry. So well done on that, Nykaa, 10 on 10. The colors are very variable and very complementary to someone with a medium, deep or dusky complexion, and I'm sure you'll definitely find, if not all, one shade that definitely suits your complexion. Finally, coming to the big question about the longevity of these lipsticks. Now, the way these lipsticks are formulated, and like I said, they have kind of a satin matte finish. They are not going to be transfer proof. I am wearing one of them right now and they do transfer. If you are someone who's maybe eating and drinking throughout the day, you will need to reapply these lipsticks every every 2 to 3 hours depending on whatever activity that you're doing. I personally don't mind that, and I kind of prefer and actually would want lipsticks that I don't mind wearing again and again through the day but are very comfortable on the lips, and this lipstick is definitely bang on that. And let's get started with the swatches. Okay guys, so that was for all the shades and swatches of the newly launched Nykaa newly launched Nykaa Luxe Matte Lipsticks. I'm always ruining this, so that's finally I've said it out right. Oh God. Let me know which color you like the most on me and which color you think are you gonna buy, even if it's not one of these but something more bright, something more bold. I think these lipsticks, irrespective of the price point, I don't think it's completely out of reach. $7.99 is quite affordable in terms of a lipstick today, and with a finish that you get with these lipsticks, I don't mind spending that buck. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, suggestions for any more videos that you want me to film. Subscribe to my channel and also hit the notifications bell because I am uploading a video almost every week and you don't want to miss that out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.